To the Financial Bros YouTube channel. It's your boy Deuce, and I'm riding solo today. My boy Tony G, my bro, taking off. For this video, I'm gonna do something different, something new to this channel. Did it on my other channel, doing this podcast, but I'm gonna show y'all my portfolio. Show y'all my portfolio. I got a Robinhood portfolio. I got a few stocks, what I own, a little bit of crypto. So I'm gonna show y'all, you know what I'm saying, what I own and maybe what I might buy on this channel. I did like a few videos on the other channel. I'm gonna cut them videos out, and we're just gonna do it on here for now. Don't forget, Insured Brand, official brand of the Financial Bros. So let me get ready to show y'all this Robinhood portfolio and get this thing popping, man. Alright, so right now I'm sitting at 18,265. As is the damn up $88. So we're gonna go check out my stocks. Right now I own Love. Love is Southwest Airline. Southwest currently at $62.37, and my average cost is $28.57. I bought a lot of Southwest last year during the pandemic, when the pandemic first started. So I got Southwest at a good rate. Market value $2,182. Cost $1,000. So let's check out the next one. Next up, got the Wynn Hotel Resorts, Las Vegas. Right now is $127.28. My average cost $84.82. Market value $3,182. So Wynn been going up. At one point I owned 30 shares, but I sold off 5 shares. It took a couple of hours out. So I own the Wynn, and the Wynn is just going up. And with the Wynn, it's gonna keep on going up because with everything opening up, Vegas starting to pop. I'm telling you, you want to buy these reopening stocks. Next up, CCL, Carnival Cruise Line. I own 38 shares at $13.89. Average cost right now is $27.04. I'm up 94% on that investment. I bought it at, $13 here and there. So like I said, eventually everybody gonna start cruising again. So I honestly want to buy some more Carnival Cruise. It might not be this year, it might not be next year, but eventually people gonna start cruising again. Once they relax the rules, everybody gonna start cruising again. Next up, Disney. Disney is a stock you want to own. The parks is opening up. The Disney Plus, all the kids love Disney Plus. The Disney Plus be dropping out the new movies. So Disney Plus right now is $187.07. I own 10 shares at $109. I'm up 70% on that investment. Next up, Boeing. I think Southwest just did a big order on Boeing for the 747, whatever airline. So right now Boeing is $247.95. I own 11 shares. My average cost is $182.35. And right now I'm up 35% on Boeing. Next up, the Bucks. Starbucks. Starbucks is currently traded at $118.39. My average cost is $75.29. I own 12 shares. Right now I'm up 57% on that return. So I jumped in Starbucks kind of early when it was when the pandemic first happened, and I jumped in at $75. Wish I could have bought more, but Starbucks will keep on running with the vegan stuff coming up and everything else. All of mom and pop shops is closing. Starbucks is the play, and they pay a dividend. And the last of my stocks that I own, Apple. And right now I'm on a mission to own 100 shares of Apple. That's all I've been buying lately. So right now Apple is trading at $134.11. I got it at 124. I own 40 shares. As of right now, I'm up 7%. So this is the only one I'm not up a lot in. But Apple, I'm looking for Apple to be a long-term hold. I'm looking to hold that forever. And they pay a dividend also. I've been buying Apple. All I've been buying lately is Apple. And I got a little bit. I'm in the current cryptocurrency. I got one of the hottest cryptos out right now, Dogecoin. Everybody on Dogecoin. I jumped in Dogecoin at like 5 cents. Like if you watch the other video, I was about to jump in when it was under a penny. But I talked to my brother, he wasn't really feeling it, so I didn't cop. But then I wanted to change my mind and got in it anyway at 5 cents. So right now, I have, how many Dogecoin do I own? Well, I own 1,488 Dogecoins at basically 6 cents. My return, I'm up 440%, up $390. So Dogecoin, don't be surprised Dogecoin hit $1. That's my portfolio right there. So that's it, you know what I'm saying? My portfolio, I'm gonna be showing y'all through the month, maybe once a quarter, you know what I'm saying? When I buy different stuff, I'm gonna show y'all my portfolio, you know what I'm saying? And don't forget, man, if you're new to the Financial Bros, subscribe to the channel, follow us on Instagram. We have all the links in the description. And follow Doing These Podcasts. We popping over there. Like this channel might got a little bit of subscribers, but the Doing These Podcasts got 20K and we growing. So like, share, subscribe.